everyone, it's me Cammy here, and I wanted to share with you my B6TN setup using the November TPS kit, which is the Galaxy themed one, and I'm using a B6TN from Naya Papery, as you can see here. And I love the little charm that came in the kit. So let me show you my flip through before I change it out using the January kit. So in front here I have the pretty lace doily paper tucked in the pocket, and I used one of the quote cards as well as this holographic doily, which was a scrap piece, and I put the moon die cut over there. And I have this paper clip from Fox and Pip, and as you can see here I put the pretty acetate in front, and I thought they were so nice. So this dashboard I made using the April kit from I think 2 or 3 years ago, if you can recognize it, and it was sort of like a galaxy or constellation themed as well, very pretty and nostalgic. So the cool cards, the papers, the die cuts are all from that kit, which I thought matched perfectly. And then I have my weekly pages, and I'll show you my spread using the box sticker kit. So this is my weekly spread, and I like to tear my washi up and use the stickers from the planner kit as well as the sticker and box society kit. So I use the glitter edges on my spread as well, and some of the die cuts. Well, this was from the stickers. So over here it says keep going, and I layered the bow headers on top. These are one of my favorites. And here, even more pretty hollow foil. I used small glitter edges on top, more stickers, and I tore out the washi. And yep. So I also love this little charm paper clip. And on the next page I have this dashboard that says hello, and this puffy stickers were from a previous kit, and I cut down the cardboard backing into like a tag shape, and I have this doily paper at the back, and I punched out a bit of the border for this purple paper, and have some acetate over here if you can see it. So yep, this is one of the simple dashboards. And at the back I have my stickers in the pocket, and I put the washi tape as well as a little bow over here. Then this insert is from Happy Scrappy, which I have not used, but I thought it matched the theme perfectly. So pretty. And on the back I layered the quote card with one of the cardboard backing, and then it's just really simple at the back. It's simple and nice. And the next dashboard is this pretty die cut piece here. So I have a bit of the paper at the back, the hollow doily and die cuts, the overlay clear stickers, some puppy stickers, as well as the glitter edges. Now for these glitter edges I use the star ones, and if I put like the regular plain ones at the back, it will block the star pattern. So what I did was I stuck another one of the star glitter edges at the back, so you can still see the stars, just that it's not like perfect because you can see a bit of the blue, but that's okay. So this is another of my weekly layouts, which I have not been using yet. And at the back I stuck this little notepad paper just in case I need to jot some things down. This one is the little crescent scallop edges, and a pocket full of things. I made a little washi card, and this is another of the pretty acetate And this one is made using a previous April kit. So the quote card, the butterflies, the puffy stickers are from, and the papers are from that kit, except for the washi and this die cut over here. It says beautiful minds inspire others, and I love this. Love it together. I think it's really pretty. So this floral paper is the back, and this is my lists insert from AnniePlans, a previous TPS collab. It's one of my favorites. This insert is from Happy Scrappy. At the back I have a pocket here, which is still empty, and then the back of the acetate. Over here I have a laminated dashboard, so same thing, like some paper at the back, doily, and then the quote card with the bowl. And I layered some of the die cuts over there and used the transparent stickers. And here I have a pocket with my stickers, washi tape. So these are stickers from the kit. These are from a previous TPS kit, the washi kit. Some simply gilded. And then this is one of my favorite types of pockets in a planner. So here I have like a vellum side loading pocket with my Stickers Society stickers. A little bit of the notepad, and then at the back pocket I just have the kit stickers. And yep, that is about it. This is my B6TN setup using the November kit, and I hope that you enjoyed the flip through. I really loved this kit so much, and I posted on my Instagram saying that I was never really a fan of like galaxy themed stuff, but Christy really changed my mind about it. So I was really inspired to create a setup with this theme, and I am really pleasantly surprised at how much I love it. So yep, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you next time. Bye!